Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a full stack Next.js SQL IDE. It directly runs in the browser to actually execute your database queries of PostgreSQL and SQLite. It's kind of a compiler or viewer. A complete IDE similar to VS Code where you can actually execute all the database queries directly in the browser. So we are running this full stack Next.js application on localhost 3000. So as you can see, we are running this locally. This is actually the full directory structure of the project here. You will see that each and every file is customizable. It's coded directly in TypeScript. So I actually coded this project from scratch. It's a complete compiler for database such as PostgreSQL or SQLite. If I show you the package.json file, we are using the latest version of Next. This is PostgreSQL SQLite. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code of this project, and then you simply run this command to run this project locally. And also you can deploy this project as well, npm run build. So actually it's actually a complete IDE. So right here you will paste your queries, whatever queries you want to paste. It has all the syntax highlighting of VS Code. You can create multiple files as you can see. Then we have this button of execute. As soon as you click the execute button, it will actually execute this. And then first of all, you do need to create the connection between the SQLite PostgreSQL database. So for doing the connection, you click this button. This actually opens this menu. So right here you will click this plus icon, or you can import a file that you have, a JSON file, a connection file of your database. So here you can simply select that JSON file, and after that you can click the import button, or if you want to manually insert the connection, you click this button, and from here you select the database provider. As you can see, it's a complete playground web IDE for specifically SQLite and PostgreSQL. So here you select, fill out the necessary information, your SQLite file path, the database file, and then you can test out the connection. So after the connection is made, then you can actually create all the queries directly in the browser. So it's a complete cloud-based IDE for your database, specifically for SQLite or PostgreSQL. So it's a database management software, so which directly runs in the browser. It's built entirely in Next.js. It's a full stack application. So we have used quite a number of free open source libraries here. So if you are interested in this project, you can purchase it. If you still face any problem, you can contact me after. It's easy for you to deploy this as well. It has all the syntax highlighting as you can see. You can create multiple queries as well. You can give a query name, description, and also save your query as well. So first of all, you do need to make the connection. So from here you can import the JSON file. From here you select the location of your database file, SQLite path. So it's a full stack project. As you can see, it has both the back end and the front end. It's a complete Next.js project. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can have multiple queries as well. So Definitely check this out.